Today we have with us Deputy CEM of Bodoland Territorial Region or Bodoland Territorial Council, Mr. Govinda Basumatari ji. Welcome, Mr. Basumatari. So, my first question would be to you: how is it going with the new Himanta Biswa Sarma-led government with a coalition?
Uh, I would like to express my thankfulness to you for giving me a chance to speak on behalf of the present government. But the leadership of Himanta Biswa Sarma, the government is going on with mutual cooperation. Especially, we have three political parties who are in a cooperation in running the government. First, the BJP, the second AGP, and last one is UPPL. Three political parties combined, and it's making a good governance. I hope it will continue for the next 5 years, and will be able to satisfy the people and resolve all the problems of the people of Assam.
So, do you think that it is hard at time to address some issues when you are with a big national party? BJP is the grandest national party of India. So, do you think there are some problem to address some regional issues sometime?
Of course, there are some problems, especially relating to the regional people of these local people, and sometimes we have seen that the national parties neglect the regional problems. But this time we feel the leadership is concerned about both the national and regional issues, and he's trying to resolve all these problems. So I feel, I don't know about the past governments, but for this government, there will be no problem because the leadership they are concerned about both local and national issues, and
So
trying to resolve all this.
so no complaints so far.
Yeah, so far there is no any complaint.
Okay. So Bipol is coming next. At least two constituencies from BTR is going to the poll. Will be going to the poll. So what's your plan on that? Like, will be seeing candidates from UPPL or BJP?
Uh, Two constituencies of BTR. One is Gosaigaon and the other is Tamalpur. Both constituencies were given to UPPL last election, and this time also, the BJP is agreed to give this constituency to the UPPL, and from our side we have already prepared for this contesting these two constituencies, and we have already working in the field. But one thing is remain that selection of candidate. We have not been this fielding the selecting the candidate who will be the candidate. We have not decided, but there will be no problem in selecting candidate.
So in recent development, there are some political turmoil is seen in the region as well, as BPF is claiming to have the majority in the council, and they are urging CM to give through the secret ballot. They want to prove their majority. So what's your take on that?
BJP, they have got already 11 seats till now, and we have 12 seats, and the other party, that is BPF, they have originally 17, but now they are also in 11 position. So the BJP is full agreement with UPPL to run this government for the full term.
Okay.
I don't think that somebody will be with the BJP just to topple the government. I don't think, because the Chief Minister is always expressing his full support to UPPL, and I don't think that he'll play any trick just to topple this government, because he is the head of this government also.
Yeah. But in future, can we expect to see UPPL and BPF in the same alliance?
Which is
In politics, actually, so to say, in politics there is nothing impossible, because sometimes we have seen that the contradictory parties, the opposite parties, come together and run government. So if does happen, it will not be surprising thing for the people. Sometimes it
There
happens
is
like this.
some like we can expect that in future, like.
And it depends on the situation. It depends on all the political activities. Depends on the political situations.
there's
So-
But you are certain about one thing, that BTC council will be run by UPPL only.
Not people only, but BJP
Yeah.
and people.
So BPA is not in the scenario to run the council.
So far, there is no any such. There is no any symptom like this. So far, we have seen that there is good cooperation and friendship between BJP and UPPL leadership, and among workers also. So there may not be any change even after bipoll.
Okay. So that was Deputy CEM of BTC Council, and he had ascertained that about all the political turmoil that's been seen in the region, that there is no chance that BPF will come to the scenario to run the council, and Hagrama will be the CEM. Now the CEM of BTR is UPPL chief Pramod Baru. So there is no chance that the government is going to be toppled, but he has also asserted that in future we might get to see UPPL and BPF in the same alliance. You're watching InsideNE. I am Devra Datta with camera person Sachin Das.